A Canva voiceover can make all the difference between your video and the next. Your voiceover could make your video the one to watch by adding an introduction to your video, adding an explanation all the way through your video, what's going on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in Canva. Go into Canva, then select video. I've gone into YouTube landscape. Then you can either go up to uploads or elements. Here I'm going to go into elements and select my video from there. You can type in the search elements to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've selected your video, if you select set as background, and there's the uploads button, and you can upload your files from your device. Here I can go in and record myself and do a voiceover. You can see the mic down on the screen. You can select the mic that you want of your choosing. Then you just select record. You get the countdown timer. Then you just start talking. Once you're happy with your voiceover, tap on pause. You've got the choice there to bin it. You can move a voiceover with your mouse. Here I'm moving the blade. You can see the date time of the recording. So you've got the menu bar at the top where you can fade the recording, add beat sync, enhance the voice. You can split it as well. So tapped on the top timeline, just moved it with my mouse to a suitable position. I've done the same again. Shortened it at both ends. Oh, look, I've lost it. Never mind. So you just go up to undo, and I've got it back again. So I've shortened it, then I can extend the timing on the audio. See, it's 5.8 seconds. So if I do a right click, I've got the different options there for volume, delete track, duplicate track, split audio, split page. Once I'm happy, I can share it, I can download it, I can save it to my device. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Tap on the next video if you want to watch more Canva video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.